Hi beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Zombies 2 makeup tutorial on Addison. So I've already done my face and you want to keep it matte. There is no highlighter or anything. Sometimes her skin looks brighter, but I think that just might be the lighting. Of course, if you want your skin to look brighter, all you have to do is one of two things. One, get a concealer that is light 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone and put it on the places where you want it to appear brighter. Usually that's the highlighting places. And speaking of highlighter, that's number 2. Get the most natural highlighter you can find and very gently put it on your face. Like, don't make it blinding or anything. Okay, so now I'm gonna be jumping straight into the eyes. Recently, I've stopped using eye primer, not because my eye primer is bad. No, it's good, it's very good. But because whenever I wear eye primer, I feel like I have to keep it on that place and nowhere else. Like, if my eye primer is on my lid and nowhere else, I feel like I can't put eyeshadow anywhere else. But that's my own thing. It's not the eye primer or anything. It's just something that I need to get over. So since I skipped eye primer, I put concealer all around my lids. And now I'm going to be jumping into an eyeshadow. So in the first Zombies movie, Addison does have a more natural look. But in the second movie, she does have a bit more color to her. At least based off of what I saw in the teasers. So for her eyes, you just need to put on some blue eyeshadow and nothing else. So I am taking my I Heart Revolution Blueberry Crush eyeshadow palette. It's this cute little donut thing. It's like $7 and it's so cute and it's so perfect. Because this one has lots of blue colors and a little purple. A bluish purple one and just a regular purple one. Now you're gonna wanna go with matte colors for this. And for this look, I'm using this blue one right here in the corner. Where is my brush? I'm gonna take whatever brush works best for me and I'm just gonna dip into that. Tap off the excess and just apply the eyeshadow. I tapped off too much. And just apply the eyeshadow to my lids. Now that I think about it, I could have just used eye primer because it's only one color and I can just put it on my lids. You know what I'm gonna do? I have very little eyeshadow on, so I'm going to put eye primer on. It does make your eyes look more pigmented. And I know you shouldn't put eye primer on top of eyeshadow, but I'm bad. You guys know this. Alright, so I have hooded eyelids, so I do need to make it a little bit higher, like over the fold that I have. And this is for all people with hooded eyelids. You gotta do that in order to get the colors to come off. In order to get the colors to appear. Okay, so now that I have my eye primer on, which is something you're going to do before you put your eyeshadow on, do not make my mistakes. Learn from me. Now I'm going to be going with that color on a brush. And I'm going to pack it on. Oh yeah, the color comes on much better with eye primer. Okay, so this blue eyeshadow is a little darker than I would like. However, I only have a certain number of blue eyeshadows and this is one of the very few that are matte. So, you know, you just gotta work with what you got. And just putting it on my eyelid. Okay, I know what happened. This eyeshadow isn't darker than I would like. I just put too much on. You gotta watch out for that. I cannot tell you how many times I have done that. But there is a solution. Just take a brush that you like and blend it out. Just gotta keep blending, blending, blending. You gotta experiment with your brushes in order to figure it out, but it works. Okay, I have blended out my blue eyeshadow the best to my abilities, and now I'm going to be moving on to eyeliner. Now she does have a bit of a wing, but not like a wing. It's more like a blunt wing. You know what? Let me just show you. Just take your favorite eyeliner. I would recommend a Creme because you may have to blend it out a little bit. Now if you have troubles with creams or pencils or anything, don't worry about it. Just line it to the best of your ability and then grab your liquid eyeliner or whatever you like to use and go over it on top. It's more like creating an outline, if you will. So anyway, now I'm gonna line my other eye with my creamy pencil eyeliner and then move on to my liquid eyeliner. Little tip, sharpen them before you use them, because mine's really blunt. I just kind of broke my last sharpener, so I need to get a new one, so. But seriously, sharpen it. Okay, so I kind of messed up my eyeliner a little bit. One looks different from the other. It's hard to do winged eyeliner or any kind of eyeliner when you have hooded eyelids. You know, you don't have the space to create things like other people do. Anyway, now I'm just gonna pop some white eyeliner in my waterline. I don't know if she uses white eyeliner on her waterline or if she puts anything on her waterline, but it's something that I like to do. And with my waterline done, I'm gonna be moving on to my lashes. Now, I currently do not have a natural black mascara, and I'm not sure what they use on set for the movie. So I'm just gonna jump right into my Ardell natural lashes in 174. These are the most natural thing I have for my eyes. I don't know what happened to the little thing I used for my lashes. I can't seem to find it right now, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. Hopefully it'll work out for the best. Okay, my lashes are on, and now I'm gonna be moving on to the rest of my face. Now there is no highlighter, there is no bronzer, but there is just a hint of blush. Now if you are returning to my channel, you know that I am so heavy with the blush. I have a very heavy hand. So I think the best way for me to get a nice, natural, easy blush look is with a cream blush, and that is the NudeStix Nudes Bloom in Cherry Blossom Babe. Now I don't know if her blush is peachy or pinky. Sometimes it's switched up, but I'm gonna go with the pink blush because again, it is much easier for me to get it nice and natural that way. Now keep the focus to the center of the cheeks, more like the apples of the cheeks, to get a little rosy effect, and just blend it away. Oh yeah, that's nice and natural. Looks a little much on camera, but in real life it looks so good. Okay, with the cheeks done, I'm gonna be moving on to my lips. Now before anything happened, I did put some Vaseline on my lips. And you can use Vaseline or lip balm. Vaseline's just what I prefer, but just make sure your lips are nice and moisturized. Now for your lip color, you're gonna wanna go in with a nice light pink, but again, natural. This is basically a very natural look with just a pop of color. So I'm going in with my Maybelline SuperStay Ink Crayon in the shade Seek Adventure. And don't overline your lips or anything, just go with your natural lip shape. Now I do wish this lip color was a lot lighter. It seems like every time I find a nice light pink, it comes out darker than what I think it's gonna be. But that's fine because this pink lipstick still looks perfect with the look. So now that all that's done, I'm gonna be moving on to the final step, which is setting my face with my Too Faced 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye.